In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on IC markets. Now, there's multiple ways of actually doing this because there's multiple platforms you can trade on. And if you want to know that, you can watch the videos on specific trading platforms and how to connect that and trade on them, which are available on my channel. Or if you just want to use the web terminal, which is the easiest and quickest in my opinion, you can just go to, of course, the accounts tab, create an account, for example, a demo one, and then go to downloads here on the left. And inside here, just click the web trader and then click on open web trader. And it's going to open up the web trader for either MT4 or MT5. And then you want to select if you want to trade with real or demo account. I'm going to do demo and press continue to MT5. And then in here, this is what you're going to see. So it's going to be like a login box, which is going to look like this. You have to enter in your login and your password. So over here, let me actually show you. You have to go to the accounts tab. And inside here, this is going to be the login of your demo account. And over here, you can basically reveal the password, paste this in here, press connect. And then to actually place a trade, click on new order up top. And here you can go ahead and select the order type, either market, limit, stop limit, whatever you want. And then you can select the volume, the stop loss if you want it, the take profit if you want it. You can add a comment to your order and just click on buy or sell by market and place a trade that way. Now, of course, you have to select your symbol before that so you know what you're actually trading, and then you can buy or sell by market and your order is going to get fulfilled and it's going to be down here under positions at the very bottom. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.